Hey guys, Caden's Non-Toxic Fan62 here, and with Motorized Railway unboxing we've got Snowy Hiro, which is also along with Snowy Ryan, because they came together. On the back of the box is the same as the one which is Snowy Ryan's packaging. So let's open up Hiro. Here's his first truck, and it has an ice load, which you can remove. And here is the truck with the saw. And here is a look at Hiro. A good job representing Hiro's face, and he's missing his 51 on both sides, but he does have his nameplate. Although the prototype does show the number 51. And unlike the Trekmaster engines, which I did not say in my Snowy Ryan review, the off switch is there and the on switch is here, whilst on the Trekmasters it is the other way round. A bit strange, really. Let's pop the battery in Hiro. Alright, let's see Snowy Hiro run, even though it's not snowy outside. Glad this fits in the Trekmaster truck as well as the tone. Excuse me. Well, they do have the Trekmaster Snow Clearing Hiro, which got in 2013. I do like the truck which does the saw action on those guys. It would be nice if we see more of Hiro again. Because last time we saw him was Journey Beyond Sodor. Let's make this his last run. So, if you want to get snow-covered Hiro, then I recommend getting this Hiro, and I do like the snow clearing Trekmaster one as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!